So, Jenna, you arrived at Seattle, Washington about 6 hours ago, via train, the locomotive, right? Amtrak, right. So far, in your 6 hours that you've been here, what is your favourite part of Seattle Pacific University?
The food.
The food. Oh, great answer, people. Great answer. Can you elaborate?
The cheeseburgers.
Ooh.
And the fries. And the pop.
The pop. The soda pop. Right. What is your least favourite part about the university?
The hill.
The Ashton Hill. Right. You get used to it.
Okay.
You do, I promise.
Okay.
Do you have any questions for the viewers out there?
All 49 of them? Nope.
Nope. You good?
Nope.
Okay, well, say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.